What you're about to see is not a myth. It's not folklore, and it's not something most people even know exists. Hidden behind farms, factories, and strict controls, an industry quietly turns snakes into medicine. This is the journey from snake farming to capsules sold as health supplements. It begins on controlled snake farms. Here, snakes are raised under regulated conditions, monitored, recorded, and managed like livestock. Every movement matters. Every specimen has value. This isn't chaos, it's a system. Once selected, the snakes are processed and transported to specialized facilities. What arrives next is not flesh, but skeletons. Cleaned, sorted, logged. From this point on, there is no turning back. Inside the factory, ancient medicinal beliefs collide with modern industry. The skeletons are washed, sanitized, and prepared under strict hygiene standards. White coats replace superstition. Machines replace rituals. Powerful industrial grinders reduce bone into fine powder, removing all trace of origin. No shape, no identity, only raw material. This powder is believed to contain compounds long used in traditional medicine. Before anything reaches the market, samples are tested in laboratories. Purity, safety, consistency. Here, science makes the final decision, not belief. Approved powder is sealed into capsules by automated machines, measured doses, perfect timing, mass production. What once lived silently now sits inside a pill, ready for shelves across the world. Inside industrial facilities, python skins are cleaned using powerful machines. High-pressure systems remove every impurity, transforming raw material into something the luxury industry demands: consistency, durability, and perfection. Once dried, the skins are carefully measured and cut into precise sections. Each piece is cataloged and stored, prepared for its next transformation. Nothing is wasted. Every section has value. In specialized workshops, these python skin pieces are crafted into luxury goods, watch straps, designer bags, and premium shoes. Here, skilled hands and refined techniques turn raw material into symbols of status and exclusivity. And just like that, a single python becomes part of a business worth millions. From nature to factory to luxury markets around the world. This is how profit is engineered behind closed doors.